Hello everyone. Friends, today I will tell you what orders there are and how to use them on the OKX exchange. There are 7 order types in total. A buy limit order is placed below the current market price, and a sell limit order is placed above. This allows you to better control the purchase or sale price. Limit orders can also help you avoid buying or selling at unfavorable prices. Here you indicate the price of the coin you plan to purchase. Here you indicate the amount you want to buy. The next step is to include stop and take. You also indicate the profit, and then indicate the stop loss, and you will buy a coin. The order is activated only after the price reaches the price you need. Same with the short position. Please understand that due to the volatility of the crypto market, the final purchase price may differ from the price you stated. This order makes a trade at the current price of the coin. Here you indicate the price at which you want to buy this coin. Be sure to turn on SL, TP, also with the shorts position. This is an advanced delegation strategy that is more suitable for experienced traders. The trader can place a conditional order and select the close position only. Select the order type. Specify the purchase price. Choose which order the transaction will be executed on. Indicate the price at which you want to purchase the coin. Same with short position. Specify the percentage. This means that you specify a percentage that will allow you to set a value upon reaching which stop loss will be set automatically. If you wish, you can specify the activation price for this order. You indicate the profit. Select for which order this order will be opened. Indicate the amount for which you want to purchase the coin. There is no stop loss in this order. This order is somewhat similar to a limit order. When using this order, the system automatically executes a limit order only if the potential for immediate execution of a limit order after it is placed is identified. An iceberg order allows you to hide a certain part of the volume from the market in order to minimize the impact on the market price of orders that are large relative to the market. This is an unaddressed limited order, which indicates the total number of contracts and their number visible to other market participants.